Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told a television with a price of $300 is to be purchased with an initial payment of $60 and weekly payments of $30. We're asked which of the following equations can be used to find the number of weekly payments W required to complete the purchase, assuming there are no taxes or fees. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to come up with an equation that says, okay, we have our total price, and this is going to be equal to the initial payment that we make plus all of the weekly payments, right? These two together are going to pay for the whole thing. What is the whole thing? Well, our total price, we're told, is $300. So $300 is going to be equal to our initial payment of $60 plus the total sum of all the weekly payments. So that's going to be the price of one payment times the number of payments, right? So if you have two payments that are $3 each, then that's $6 in total, 2 times 3. So you have 300 is equal to 60 plus one payment we're told is $30 times the number of payments we're told is represented by W. So you have 300 is equal to 60 plus 30W. If we just swap these, right, 30W plus 60 is the same as 60 plus 30W. Now it more accurately matches our final answer, which is going to be C. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.